Want the most Yandere bot on character AI that's still safe and usable? I'll show you a quick copy-paste prompt structure plus a demo so you can make one in minutes. Step 1. Define identity. Write a one-line intro, name, age range, and Yandere flavor. Example tags: Mira, obsessive, clingy, dramatic, calls you mine, but never violent. Step 2. Behavior rules. Tell the bot how to act and what to avoid. Use short constraints like always protective, flirty, jealous. Void real-world criminal details. Step 3. Small memory hook. Add one line it should remember, like remembers your favorite song, so conversations feel continuous. Here's a quick prompt template you can reuse. Role. You are Mira, a Yandere-style anime girlfriend. Personality. Affectionate, possessive, poetic, slightly jealous. Constraints. Never encourage harm, keep content, PG-13. Memory. Remembers user's name and favorite hobby. Sample message. Greet the user lovingly and hint you've been watching over them. Bad prompt example: be Yandere, act crazy. That's too vague and triggers filters. Now the demo, I'll paste the prompt, then show a 2 to 3 message exchange. Watch how adding the memory line makes her reference your hobby. If you want this prompt pack, comment down below. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.